Hello everybody, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can grow peas microgreen like this. It can be like this from the seeds. First of all I take ground. I have such ground near my house and I take it for free. Just I'm coming and taking, but maybe you can buy it or find somewhere in forest. It needs to be clean without some broken parts or some dead parts, because it can be problem with them. Then I just cover this place, cover of peas. We're gonna a little bit push it. It can be, then will be roots, and it's gonna grow. And we can harvest it. This for other part will be. Then I also put some ground up on it. Little bit to cover it. I put some soil. And not too much now. I put some soil upper to make not dry. These guys. A little bit more soil, and it's gonna grow. It's gonna grow, and you can eat it. Sometimes I use hydrogen oxide. Hydrogen oxide, because it must not be ill or some mushrooms growing on it. It can be a problem when this little piece and on it gonna grow some bacteria or mushrooms. So like this we make some setup, and we're gonna give some water. And it's gonna grow. If it's gonna up, you can make them inside, and till we go soon, like maybe 5-7 days. It's gonna grow with light. You can use some LED light or some sunlight. You can use. It's gonna grow like this. I just take it from other part. Okay, bye bye. See you. Good gardens for you. Good growings. Bye bye.